Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Enable VTX or AMD VM BIOS so the VM can use hardware acceleration. This matters for speed and compatibility. Next, download the Windows ISO and verify its checksum to avoid corrupt installs. Once done, create a new VM in your hypervisor. Assign 2 4 CPU cores, at least 4 GB RAM, and 40 plus GB disk. Choose UEFI if supported to match modern systems. You now move into the complex middle steps where precise choices shape performance. Boot the VM from the mounted ISO and perform a custom Windows install. Partition the virtual disk logically so you can snapshot later. After installation, install the hypervisor's guest tools to enable mouse integration, better graphics, and shared folders. This improves workflow and clipboard sync. Then configure networking depending on needs. NAT for safe internet access, bridged for LAN presence, or host only. You finish by locking the VM into a reliable, recoverable state and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Create a snapshot or checkpoint immediately. This saves you from complete reinstallation after risky updates or software tests. Then tune resources, increase RAM, enable 3D acceleration if needed, and configure shared folders or USB pass-through for devices. If the VM won't boot, make sure virtualization is still enabled. Verify the ISO integrity, review VM logs, and restore the last snapshot. That single rollback often fixes configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.